This is another new pendant you're looking at for the Tweety bird. Fully iced out 3D piece. It's a 5.5 inch tall piece with 5 inch almost wide, with the leg and the head spread out. The whole piece is 3D. I'll show you every detail of the piece. Let's start with the hat. The way the hat is made, if you see on the back, the snap hat with a 3D look right on the top. Let's see the face right now with different colors of lab diamond. All yellow, all blue, all black, orange. I'm showing you this piece from closer look so you can see more details on this which has been done. You see the jacket is a chocolate lab with the green, yellow done and the white. And you can look at the leg, pretty wide, 3D look. You can almost make it stand. Something different, something unique. If you want to be different, then shop from us. We always try to bring something different. Fully 3D piece, stones on the back too on the leg, with a cage back. You can even see the sleeves on the back. We're showing you every detail. If you have your own logo, any custom design you want to make it, we can do everything in the house for you. The only thing, you have to email us at MrChrisdajeweler@yahoo.com or call us at 404-523-3399 Chris the Jeweler. When you call us at the number or email us the picture, one of our specialists is gonna give you the details, advise you what color you're gonna like it. We're gonna show you the mold, every step of the piece we do. All breathing hole, cage back, solid back, any metal, any stones, any colors. 404-523-3399 Chris the Jeweler. If you want to stand out from the rest, shop from the best. 404-523-3399 Chris the Jeweler.